Hello, today we are going to present to you a highly popular burger known as Sloopy Joe's. Despite not being a classic, it is extremely delicious.
First, prepare the necessary ingredients. Dice the onion and bell pepper and slice the chili. Then, heat a frying pan, add oil, rosemary, and garlic, and fry until the herbs and garlic release their essential oils. Add the onion and sauté until golden. Remove the rosemary and garlic, then add the bell pepper. Add ground beef and cook until golden brown. Add chili, paprika, sugar, Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, salt, and pepper. Then add water, cover, and simmer for 1 hour. Brown the buns in sunflower oil with salt. Next, spread the buns with mustard and place the ground meat on the bottom of the bun. Place 2 slices of cheddar cheese on top of the ground beef and bake with a blowtorch. Finally, place the salad on top and cover with the top of the bun. Enjoy!